Lash bed sanitation. Due to COVID, a lot of rules changed. Your lash bed should be covered with a reusable and easy to sanitize cover. A plastic bed cover would be recommended. It is easy to clean in between clients and keep sanitized. All tools will be linked in a PDF I have attached. Hi, my name is Tatiana. I'm a lash artist and a serial entrepreneur. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. And today we're going to be talking about lash bed sanitation. This is chapter 2 of my series of how to do lashes or how to be a lash artist. If you do not have my ebook, please don't forget to go get it. Link in bio. It's on my Etsy store. You can use that ebook to follow along with the course throughout the whole series of these videos that I'm making. But if you don't want to get it, it's totally okay. You don't have to, because these videos walk you through every single little thing you need to know to become a lash artist. So all the tools and everything you need are attached to my ebook, so if you want to use those references, go ahead and use them. But I will also insert an image here and show you guys what supplies you need every time I talk about a specific supplies. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you everything I use. Let's start with how I set my bed up, how it looks overall, and what each item's purpose is. So this is a bolster. This bolster helps to elevate clients' lower back. So when clients come in, you can be like, hey, please, legs up. I'm gonna put a bolster underneath you. Please, if you don't like it, let me know. I can go ahead and remove it. But this helps elevate your lower back. That way you're not laying super flat and uncomfortable during the procedure, because you know lash extensions can take a couple of hours. This white sheet is the most important thing you'll need. First of all, this is a plastic water resistant bed cover. So it's plastic. Yes, it makes noise. However, it is super easy to sanitize. So that's the goal, because if you're a busy lash artist like I am, your clients are coming in and out constantly. You only have 10-15 minutes to sanitize. Use Lysol, spray it down, wipe it down, and it's all clean. So this is the first top layer. Okay, so this white sheet. I got mine at Walmart. You can get yours there as well. And I bought it, I think, for $12.99. I have a couple of these. I'm always changing them out because it is white. It gets dirty so fast, especially when clients come in with shoes. Layer number 2. So this is a tablecloth bed cover. Layer is a tablecloth that I got off of Amazon, and it's just a protectant. This doesn't really do anything because it's just an extra layer to keep everything taut and like tight. So that's layer number 2. Layer number 3 is this, like, it used to be really thick and fluffy, but over the years it's kind of flattened out. But this is like a wool bed cover to help your massage bed stay a little bit more warmer and cozier. So this helps, especially, you know, you're laying down for a while, it gets a little chilly, so that helps for this. I got this at a beauty store. I have to look for it, and if I do find it, I can link it down. But this one is specifically for a massage bed, and I like it because it's super soft. And then my last layer is this massage bed pad. Look how thick it is, squishy, and it's a memory foam bed massager. This has, I want to say, 9 little like vibration systems, and I'll show you all the vibration things it has. Another thing, the cool part about this white layer is that if it gets dirty on one side, you can flip it over and use the other side, and that way it can last a tiny bit longer. So here is the little remote that goes with that under pad, and it has a massage system, it has a heating pad, and here I can control it for my clients. And the way I introduce it to them is I ask them like, hey, would you be interested in a massage complimentary? It's a vibration system my bed has, and most people say yes, or they opt out. So then, okay, the second part, or my last item on my bed, is, I don't know if you guys can see this little bulk here. This is a pillow. This is a memory foam pillow specifically designed for lash beds, or for lashing, actually, not lash beds. And it's down here. I put it in that way it doesn't move, and it's just there like that. and my client's head goes here on this side. Of course, with this covered, it goes here, and they put their feet over there and they lay down like that. That's my lash bed. To clean and disinfect my lash bed after each client, I use cleaner and bleach. This helps kill any bacteria and stuff like that. So I spray this down, let it sit for like a couple of seconds, and then I wipe it with a microfiber cloth. And then after that has dried, I go in with Lysol and I spray Lysol. This one's my favorite because it smells like mango and hibiscus. But then I don't wipe this one off, I just let it air dry, and that's pretty much how I clean my lash bed.